Babe, don't worry. Oh. Me and my kinsmen are coming next week. And my father, my parents, my friends, my guys.
Oh, I'm so happy. After all my friends, I bought this. I wish you could
Don't worry, that day I will make you the queen of that day.
Sister Ruth!
Yeah.
How are you doing? Good afternoon, brother.
Good afternoon.
Sister Ruth, I've not been seeing you in church. I see your father.
It's fine.
Your mother, uncle. And what of your sisters?
They're fine.
All of them,
Yeah.
It was yesterday that I learned that your small brother should be now. That your small brother now. I didn't know you have a pikin. That was just I think so now your small brother. My small brother. What's the big your brother, small brother name again? Somewhere. My sister, you dey try. We just carry belle at the age of 12 years. My sister, I dey pay you. Me, I know your eyes small now. My sister, now wow. What that no go ever end for this world. Sister, brothers, your mind still there. Your eyes still there. I'm on another vessel. Now so I tell they talk my own sister. As it be so, no invite me for the marriage. Don't worry, next Saturday I'll come. Oh. Okay. I'll come. Oh, congratulations in advance, my sister, my brother. Bye bye. Oh. What the Lord has joined together, let no man put us under.
Will you keep quiet?
If I can explain.
Get out.
They have left you.
That Doka shall never be well with you.